Thursday afternoon, guys. Good morning out there, but now the clouds are increasing. I'm sure you've seen that. We have plumes coming back from the southwest and a fresh cold front, sharp one moving in from northwest to southeast. Look at the temperatures. Temperatures have responded quite well. 70s down in the mid-Atlantic. We were 60s earlier today. Even here in Massachusetts, 60s up, but look at that fresh cold front coming down north of the Great Lakes. That's going to scream down here. Temperatures have already dropped quite a bit, but we're still in the lower 60s. Surprisingly, the winds are pretty gusty out there today as well. Take you into the Massachusetts area and southern Connecticut area. You can see temperatures well into the 60s. 60 in Taunton, 60 pretty uniform around here. Wayland 60, Andover 60. We're in the lower mid to upper 50s on the Cape due to that wind. But all in all, it was a good afternoon, but the clouds are streaming in now, and what do you ask is coming up? Well, here's that cold front to the north, and here comes some rain coming up from the south. Looks like a good slug of rain again tonight into early tomorrow morning, but cold air will start to be drawn in, coming in from the northeast eventually, and we could see some snowflakes flying in here, guys, as that low pressure moves off to the east. As far as the national radar picture goes, we'll take you to that now. Look at the plumes of moisture coming in, pouring rain. The center circulation looks to be over northeast Arkansas. Some thunderstorms developing over western Tennessee now. Very heavy rain southern Illinois, and we're tapping into the Gulf of Mexico with some severe weather erupting down in Florida. Again, central low pressure centered down there in Arkansas with some severe weather. All of it moving to the east and northeast, guys. You can see here on this radar that cold front, how it sweeps down from Canada and then exits pretty fast, but it's a pretty sharp cold front. And you see another storm system, which will be looks to be a gully washer here for the weekend, developing over northern Texas. And for tomorrow, that storm ends, it pulls out to the east, and you get those very cold winds. It's going to be pretty cold here in the morning tomorrow on Friday. Storm will be exiting, but we could see some snowflakes, a burst of even maybe some heavier snow. I wouldn't expect too much accumulations except the hillier terrains of Worcester County. Let's take you to the total precip. Again, close to 3 inches will fall out there in the Midwest, in Missouri and Illinois, and into Indiana. But up here, you know, ½ inch to as much as an inch. I think an inch of rain will fall. As far as the winds goes, so far early today we've been screaming from the south. The winds have been about 20 miles an hour at times, but it's been a warm wind. But look what happens. Winds just come straight back from the north after tonight, and then actually we warm back up again after that. Actually, cool down, I'm sorry about that. We cool down right through Sunday. And then as we work our way into Monday, you can start to see that the winds will start to come more from the south, southeast, and eventually from the west, which will be a warming wind, guys, here after our next rain event, which seems to be shaping up from Sunday into Monday and Tuesday of next week. Looks to be a lot of rain again, but as far as that warm front goes, come Monday, it's going to be out here in the Rockies. You can say goodbye to winter after this, guys. Tuesday, it pushes into the middle part of the country. Wednesday, into the Midwest, and we should be warming up pretty well Wednesday into Thursday, back into the 60s, if not 70s, guys. It's just going to be a beautiful later half of the week. As far as the models go, let's click this forward. There you can see current time. Look at that sharp cold front just diving to the south. And here's that low pressure right there, which should be delivering heavy rain, maybe mixed with snow in northern West Virginia. And like I said, we could see some snowflakes here. And that pushes off the coast tomorrow morning into mid-afternoon. But we're going to have a chilly northeast wind for later Friday and a Saturday. And then here comes that next one, guys. You saw it right there. I'm sorry. Another one developing, which looks to be quite a gully washer here for Sunday into Tuesday of next week. That's our next chance at rain. Sorry about as far as the long ranger goes. There goes our storm for early tomorrow. And then we do a brief warm-up, nothing big. Then here comes the next one, gully washer for Sunday into Tuesday of next week. Low pressure center should be right over us, so heavy rains, but still a few question marks. If some snow might mix in towards the end of that, we'll still have to watch that, guys. And then it's just like I said, that huge warm-up heading into probably April 2nd, April 3rd. Looks like we'll be well underway into the winter season. That's as I see it for now, guys. That's the forecast from now from Anthony's SNE Weather. Check back for updates. Again, this is Anthony from Anthony's SNEweather.blogspot.com. Let's have a good afternoon, guys.